How to create a Google form questionnaire. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily create a new survey form or a questionnaire form. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right into the video. The very first thing you want to do is open up your Google Chrome or any other web browser and head over to forms.google.com, or you can just click on this app section and open up Forms. And it will directly take you to your Google Forms where you already have different templates to choose from. So you can do a contact info form, RSVP, and event invitation, or many more. And if you have already made different forms previously, it will show up on your recent forms. I'm going to show you guys how you can create it from scratch. So just click on blank form. So you are going to have to enter your title first. I'm just going to enter a survey. So just enter survey here. And if you want, you could also add a description for your form. So I'm just going to add something like for a YouTube video. Now, the first option is to add a question. So just click on add question. Now, what you could do is choose the type of question you want. For example, if you're asking for a name, you might want a short answer. So I'm just going to add first name, and then it will be a short answer. The second option you might want is last name. And for that, you could also choose short answer. Now click on add again. Now if you want to ask gender, then you can just choose multiple choice and add your choices. So on the option one, you could add male, add another option as female, and add another option as others. So once you do that, you could also add a paragraph answer. So for example, how did you hear about us? And then you can just ask them this question. If they want, they could write a paragraph about it, so it's going to be a long answer. So after you're done creating your survey, you could also add background images. So just click on this add image button and you can insert different image from your drive. And once you have done that, you can just head over to settings and tweak these settings a bit. So click on this form defaults, and if you want to collect the responder's email, you can choose this responder input. Now what you're going to do is share this. Click on the share option and then give access to people. So first thing first, you're going to have to publish this form. So just click on publish, and once this is published, just click on this, and then you're gonna click on the copy responders link, and then if you want to shorten the URL, you can do that and copy this. So now whoever you provide this form to, they will be directed directly to the form, and now they can simply add their information right here. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.